this is real world AI. Oof, kind of an ugly turn there. All right, speed bumps ahead. FSD did a great job. Not a great job slowing down for that one. It did a slow down like last second. That was not that great. All right, so this one, it seems to be able to recognize pretty well and does a really good job for slowing down. That was 10 out of 10. If I'm holding my coffee, then you know that's pretty good. This one too, I do have a car in front of me, but it seems to be slowing down pretty significantly for the stop, for the speed hump, so not bad there. Alright, stop sign came to a full stop. Here we go. Yep, now we're good to go. Did have to accelerate through that one. Wasn't sure why FSD didn't realize we had the right of way. We're now like inside of a shopping center too, so we're watching FSD work inside of a shopping center where it's not really designed to work.
In 500 feet,
the best.
turn left.
So Wells Fargo is in this shopping center, so let's see how it does. It's pretty busy out here today. Please hit that like button if you guys are watching this video, and subscribe for more Tesla and FSD content. Trying to be uploading these videos in 4K, so make sure you watch them in 4K. So alright, FSD, not a great job there. I had to kind of stop it from taking over the person that wanted to he stopped for people crossing, so FSD was trying to take over him. Okay, look, it wants to make the left inside. Oh wow, that was a really cool left turn. It took right in the middle of a parking lot.
In 500 feet,
I'm not sure if you can see, but
on the right.
Wells Fargo is directly in front of me, so I have to take over here. FSD's not sure what to do. Let's see if we can re-engage it. Yeah, did a good job.
Now turn right.
You saw how I re-engaged it while I was in the middle of the turn, and it immediately took over what I was doing. I have to say good job to that. So yeah, here we are. It made it to our destination. FSDBETA drove me to the bank, just showing how like regular errands can be run.
Now your destination is on the right.
So I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hope everyone watching this has a great day. Again, subscribe for more FSDBETA content, and hope you have a wonderful day.